How to fix Google Meet audio issue while presenting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the Google Meet's audio issue when you're presenting. So let us begin. Now first, let us join a Google Meet. Now this is a meeting going on right now. So to fix your audio issue, what you'll need to do is head over to the three dots right here, tap on it, and there you should see a settings option. Head over to the settings option and there you should find the audio option right here. Now after you're here, what you'll need to do is simply head over to the microphone. If you have a problem in your microphone, simply change your microphone, whichever you are using. Make sure that you use the one that you want to use. If you have a headphone attached, make sure that you select that option. Now after you do that, you can even enable push to talk. Also, there is the speakers option. If you're having problem with the speakers, just select the speaker that you want to use or that you planned on using. And after doing that, your problem should get fixed. And that is basically all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. That is all. Stay tuned.